Hi, hello, I am Chirmala Vilak. Let us talk about the C-test notification. The C-test notification released today onward 3rd November 2023. I am giving to information all C-test notification, that is exam pattern and exam summary and P details, eligibility criteria and educational qualification and exam center. So watch this video till end without skipping, and if you like this video then like and share. If you like this video then then this information go to another aspirant, so please like. So now we giving to CTET information. The CTET December 2023 notification has been released on 3rd November 2023 for Central Teaching Eligibility Test on the official website. CTET 2023 is the 18th edition of the CTET exam for examining the candidate for their teaching eligibility. Applicant interested in taking forward their career in the teaching sector for primary and upper primary classes have to qualify for the CTET exam. Based on their CTET exam scores, the candidate can apply for vacancies in various government and government aided schools. CTET December 2023 exam. The Central Teacher Eligibility Test is conducted to determine the eligibility of candidate for teacher posts for classes 1 to 8 in central government school such as NVSY or KVS and other school, etc. CTET will be now conducted in offline mode. The validity of CTET has been extended for lifetime period. However, it is important to refer to the official notification to know the exact date and other relevant detail regarding the CTET December 2023 examination. States that do not conduct TET exam select candidate through the CTET examination. Now I am giving to CTET 2023 exam summary. How it is exam summary? An overview of CTET has been provided in the below table. The candidate interested and looking for opportunity to begin their career as a teacher in government and government aided school must know every detail about CTET December 2023. CTET December 2020 summary. Exam conducting body Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE. Exam name CTET. Exam level national level. Exam frequently twice a year. Exam mode offline OMR based. Registration date 3rd November to 23rd November 2023. Exam duration 150 minutes. Language of paper English and Hindi. Exam purpose for assessing the eligibility of candidate for appointment as teacher. Number of test cities 135 cities across of India. Exam helpline. Now I am giving to information how to registration to CTET 2023 December examination. The online registration process for CTET 2023 December has been started official website from 3rd November to 2023 onward and will be 2023 onward and will be conducted till 23rd November 2023. Candidates who are waiting for the CTET December 2023 exam can now fill out their registration form from the direct link which has been updated on the official website. It is crucial to carefully read and follow the guideline to avoid any discrepancy during the application process. Now I am giving to information TTET 2023 important date. These dates are most important. Event and date. CTET notification released the 3rd November 2023. CTET application from form 2023 start from 3rd November 2023. Last date to fill online application 23rd November 2023. Last date for submission of fee 23rd November 2023. Final verification of payment of fee by bank 28th November 2023. Online correction schedule 28th November to 2nd December 2023. CTET December 2023 exam date 21st January 2024. CTET 2023 application fee details. CTET 20 application fee category general or OBC, only one paper or two paper 1000 rupees, both paper 1 and 2 1200 rupees, and SC, ST and other person only one or two paper 500 rupees, and both one or two paper 600 rupees paid to the bank. CTET eligibility criteria. The eligibility criteria are different for selecting candidate for the post of teacher for classes 1 to 5, for classes 6 to 8. Let us have look at the educational qualification required by the candidate for both these sessions. Educational qualification. For classes 1 to 5, a candidate who has completed their senior secondary or its equivalent exam with a minimum of 50% of marks and cleared or appeared in final year exam of diploma in elementary education. A candidate who has completed senior secondary or its equivalent exam securing a minimum 45 marks and has cleared or appeared in their final year exam diploma in elementary education according to the NCTE regulation 2002, or a candidate who has completed senior secondary or its equivalent test with the a minimum of 50% of and has cleared appeared in final year exam of Bachelor of Elementary Education 4 years, or a candidate who has completed senior secondary or its equivalent test with minimum of 50% mark and has cleared appeared in the final year exam of diploma in education 2-year duration, or a candidate who has a bachelor degree and has cleared or appeared in the final year exam of diploma in elementary education. This is 2-year duration. And education qualification for classes 6 to 8. A candidate who holds a graduation degree and has passed or appearing in the final year examination of diploma in elementary education. This is 2-year duration. A candidate who has completed senior secondary or its equivalent test with a minimum of 50% mark and has cleared up appeared in the final year exam of 4-year duration Bachelor of Elementary Education, or a candidate who has completed senior secondary or its equivalent exam with 50% mark and clear are appearing in the final year exam of BA, B.Ed or BSc B.Ed or BA B.Ed, BSc B.Ed, or a candidate who has a graduation degree with 50% mark and has cleared or appeared in the B.Ed program of 1 year duration. Information to giving to you another video because the video duration is long length, and another video given to you that is video exam pattern, selection process, syllabus, seated teacher salary, exam center, etc., and given to you. So see and so I am given all information who are waiting for seated notification in this video, but some informations to giving to you another video because the video duration is long length, and I will try to another video on some, and keep watching and please subscribe for another video.